So let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. I have already done my brows, and this is the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going in with the two blending colors. As you can tell, I absolutely love this palette. I use it all the time. I'm going in with this Beauty Junkies blending brush and just kind of already creating the blending or the transition color, whatever you want to call it, right in my crease. Just being very sparingly with it, not too neat, just putting it right in the crease. Now I'm going in with this Tarte palette. I got it from one of my besties, LaJean, and I'm using those two colors right at the bottom. They're kind of like a blue color, a little bit of purple, and this is an e.l.f. tapered brush. You can get these palettes from Kohl's. Now, as I'm going in with those colors, I'm seeing that they're not really as dark as I thought, because I'm trying to create a nice smoky look. So I'm going in with my trusty old Amrezy palette and that LED color in that palette, and it's very, very dark. I also love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Noir, N-O-I-R eyeshadow, which is so black. So I'm just patting the color where I want it. Remember, as I always tell you all, pat the color where you want it and then blend, blend, blend. I'm going in again with that blending brush from Beauty Junkies and just kind of really just going through the color and just blending it so it just kind of really melts into the skin. As you can see, I went kind of halfway with the dark color and then out, not all the way out. I don't know what I'm trying to say, I'm sorry, but not all the way out on the face, just kind of keeping it in the eye. Now I'm going in with this Urban Decay Naked brush. That's how I got the brush, and the very light color in that palette and going under the brow. And I'm also going to be putting this on the lid. Now I'm just using this as a base. I did use a primer, which was the Laying Low from MAC Cosmetics. It's a paint pot. And now this is the Christian Dior Cream Shadow. Absolutely love this. Got it from some really good friends of mine, Amy and Bryn. And I'm just using just a flat type of a brush. I believe this was a Avon brush. It doesn't have a number on it. It's just a flat type of a liner-like brush. But this is helping me to really press the color into the lid and spreading it out. So with cream shadows, they have a little glitter. I like to press it and then spread it. So press it and then kind of swipe it to kind of help it to really stick to the skin. Now this is an edited video. I had to go over it quite a few times just to get the desired intensity, but I'm just kind of showing you up close. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Blackest Black and the Morphe Angle Liner Brush and just kind of creating a little bit of a wing and also going underneath the eye for my eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Luminess mascara. Yes, Luminess has makeup as well as their airbrush. Absolutely love their products. Now these are from Amazon. These are the 702 Creme Lashes. I already put them on off camera, and I am so sorry. I thought I showed the foundation that I use, and honestly I can't even remember which one I used in this video. Many of my videos has Wet n Wild or the Fenty. This might have been Fenty. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop Deep 50 Concealer, and this down the center of the face and underneath the eyes. And I'm using that Beauty Junkie sponge that I absolutely love. That's what I use for my foundation as well. That's what I'll be using for my contour and my highlight, everything. I love it. And I'm going in with the Zoeva flat face brush. They call it like the paintbrush. And this cream contour from Ben 9. Going down the parameters of the face and the cheekbone to create a nice contour. And I also will be contouring my nose. And when you have it really stark like you see, you just kind of go over it with something, a sponge or a fluffy brush, just to kind of blend it. Now this is a Beauty Junkie small kabuki brush that I'm creating my nose contour. And my favorite glow, still a gold glow, or one of my favorites. And then this is just a blush brush from e.l.f. And look at how soft that contour is. I just love it. It's in the actual glow. I absolutely love having a soft glow. Now I'm going in with this e.l.f. Dark palette. I got it from Target. And this is my Real Techniques brush. And then this is just a pink lip gloss. It's not even sold anymore, so yeah. It was given to me. And this is the look. And if you have questions on the wig that I'm about to pop on, it is the number 202. I got it from Divatress. And I do have a review on this wig. And this is the look. Soft, smoky, natural, easy. Easy looks, guys. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.